So opening now for heat number 1 up to the last one girls, 400 meters. Going well, Stacey and William to steps in lane 3. So 2 Moesha Barnes of Edwin Allen. And beat on that's Richard Archer of Alpha. So it's still Stacey and Williams over St. Elizabeth and Technical. Last one girls of 400 meters, and these are timed the finals. On the home stretch, ladies and gentlemen.